Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to use ISNUMERIC function in SSIS. I have data like this. So I have text document where it contains only one column. Num is the column. These are the values. So if you see the values here, these are not the real numbers. This is not 8074. This is not a 0. This is O. Like this is not a 7000. This is 0. This is a O, not 0. This is not 41,290. It's not a 1. It's exclamatory mark, special characters. Now I want to load this data into database tables. So before that I need to differentiate whether it is a number or not. Suppose is numeric function in SQL Server. It will take only single argument expression. So if I pass the expression the number, it will check whether it is number or not. If it is number, it will return 1. If it is not a number, then I am taking as a O here. This is not a number, then it will return 0. So I want to differentiate the same in SSIS itself before the data is getting loaded into SQL tables. So first I am dragging data flow task. Now I am using flat file source. Since my document is a text document, I am using flat file source. So double click, new, browse the file. This is the numbers.txt. If you want to load the same data, it got failed. This is not a number because in the destination table, the schema of the column is the integer, whereas in text document is a varchar. Obviously, it failed. Okay, now I need to use some transformation called derived column. So here I am taking column, only one column. I am taking this one. Now I am giving some new column name. New number. Okay, I'm adding new column. So here I'm casting. I used to cache this column with integer by using this dt underscore i8 8 bytes signed integer, because we are having non-numeric values also there in this column. That is why I'm used to cache this column into integer data. On top of it, I'm applying isNull function. So isNull will return Boolean value whether it is true or false. Click OK. I want to load the data in BoilDB destination. So healthcare is the database. I am selecting the table. Go to mappings. So here I use it to select the new column name, new number. If you run the package, see, it got failed in the derived column transformation. So we need to configure the error output, and we need to take this ignore failure. Now execute the package. See here, all six rows are getting loaded, but these are not the values. It will display, it will differentiate whether it's a number or not. See here, null 00 null 0 null. This is not a number. That is why it is showing 0 null. So it is returning. It is a number, and this is number. Second and third number, and fourth one is not a number. It is differentiated as null. So fifth one is a number. It is showing 0, and last one is a not number. It is showing null. So this is how you need to differentiate your data. Instead of using the numeric function like in SQL Server, you have to use the derived column and write a condition and First you need to catch the number column name with the integer data type. So you can apply isNull function, it will return a boolean value, 0 or null. Okay, like that you can differentiate your values in the input source, whether it is a number or not, in SSIS. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.